So guys, if you're looking for any scalping indicator, any price action indicator, in fact, before you buy any indicator, I would love you to consider this kind of indicator. It is called the Donchian channel. And so guys, I know you have seen many indicators looking like this, but they are basically generated from the Donchian channel. Simply because this indicator, only thing you really have to do is understanding how the market is forming and when to execute your trades. It will never go wrong. And the best thing about this indicator, guys, it works on real time and it does not repaint. And not only that, it shows you the high and lows of the market. You understand? Not only that as well, it shows you any break of structure. It will be there to show you. And so guys, I just want to really break it down in a manner that every trader will really understand. And so guys, what I want you to understand, when you see this kind of an indicator, and most of the time you can see, guys, we have the top line, we have the bottom line, we have the center line, which is the red line. Personally, I don't pay attention mostly when it comes to lower line and as well when it comes to the top line. Simply because, guys, we'll be told to buy on the lower line. That's what you're being told. And then the market keep on selling like this. You understand? You can be told to sell when price is actually on the top line and the market continues to buy. It happens most of the times. And that's why many people lose money when using this kind of indicators. And they're like, oh no, I cannot use it again because of the result they found. Another thing that I really pay attention, and I know most traders don't know this, I pay attention on the center line. I don't care whether price is actually on the top line or at the bottom line. I only pay attention on the center line. It is important to consider them executing your trades, or rather knowing the high and lows, but executing trades because you are on your high or rather on your low, it is going to cost you. So I want to introduce you to another way of using this indicator, paying attention on the center line. The center line guides you to continue selling or buying. Okay, personally what I say, if price is not above the center line, I'm not going to execute my trade. If price is not even below my center line, I'm not going to execute my trade. Reason being, when price breaks below, it gives you an assurance that price can continue selling. When it breaks above, it gives an assurance the market can really buy. And that's why you can see, guys, even when the price was actually on the high and it continues to the red line, some of the times it reverses because it's a very crucial level that the market really reacts to. So when you even executing your trades on your high and price fails to break below your center line, you're going to exit your trades. If you execute your buy order on low and price did not break above your center line, you're going to exit your trades. But when it breaks above it, you're going to hold your position. I hope that is clear and you have actually understood what I am really paying attention to, or rather what I'm trying to put across. That is something many traders have never known, and they use this rich indicator wrongly. It is a rich indicator because it can really help you execute your trades. So for instance, guys, if you can look at this level right here on our live market, you can see this candlestick pattern touches our high, it breaks below. So if you are to scalp, simply because you can see the market has as well broken this structure level right here, you could have exited at this level over here because you could have made like your 10 pips depending on the lot size you're using. So it can be used best when it comes to day trading and as well when it comes to scalping. It is a great indicator and I've tested it, and that's what we're going to do right now. Remember, we're paying attention on the center line. We're not paying attention on any other thing, only the center line. And so guys, I want you to see how the market really behaves when it comes to center line. And as well, guys, and as you can see, when price is trying to break below the center line, there is a lot of momentum that is happening. And I'm talking about momentum like this. I'm talking about momentum like this. And I'm talking about momentum like this because there is something that happens on that level. And a lot of liquidity is needed to break the center line. So if you executed your sell order right here, you could hold your position. You understand? But when you can see price breaking above it, exit, because it tells you you're going to lose your money. So right here, guys, we're going to see what is going to happen. If price breaks above it, you're going to buy targeting the high as well. Okay, when it breaks below the low as well, we're going to be looking for a selling opportunity. That is important. Keep that in mind. Stick here till the end so that we can see the magic of this amazing Donchian channel. Let's watch the live market right here and basically see what is going to happen, because it is important we learn things on live market. So guys, you can see right now price really proceeded to the upside. If you're holding your sell position, just know you're going to go wrong. But when you see right here, we have a break of structure and candlestick. I told you it is a momentum one, because this cannot just be broken, and now sellers are in control. So we want to see how the market is going to behave. We're again watching it keenly and closely. If you're selling, you should have exited, because when it breaks above, you can see it tries to push to the upside. So this is the most important level you're supposed to pay attention to. Let's see again what is going to happen. And guys, you can see when it is above it, buyers are kind of taking over the market. And as you can see, it is working real time. It is not repainting. I'm trying to show you the power of the center line. It is super important. So imagine if you executed your sell order right here, you want to hold and reach your low, then something like this happens. You can lose your money beautifully, and you can see the market is now on the high. The power of the Donchian channel working real time. It is not really repainting. Price has broken below it, and so guys, you can see once it breaks below it, sellers really sells. So guys, it is important you get this. It is important you use it correctly. It is important you understand this. If you fail to understand this, Forex will be very hard for you. And that's why I prefer testing everything on live market. That's why I prefer showing you exactly what you're supposed to pay attention to. Because losing in this kind of a market, with actually executing your sell order, holding, waiting it to reach your low, you're going to lose a lot of money. Because market can touch the low, yes, but sometimes it can fail. So let the center line guide you. I call it a holy grail. I call it the controller. I call it everything, because it shows you exactly what you're supposed to do. If you are a beginner looking for an indicator to guide you, looking for an accurate indicator that will make you money, try the Donchian channel. It is a great indicator. I can actually attest to that. Having testing it with you guys, having seen how it is working with you guys, you can see it is a great indicator. You can try it out. It is found on Tradingview, and basically this is 15 minutes time frame. Because of scalpers, 30 minutes time frame, it can work as well because of day traders, and this is going to really help you understand the forex market. If I can choose any indicator, I can only choose this great indicator called the Donchian channel. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Don't forget to share as well. And so guys, bye bye. I will see you with more beautiful content like this.